What is the best strategy to start the game? What is the most important game item that makes you win fights? The answer to this question is airdrop loadout. You have two ways to get your personalization weapon. Either you wait for your airdrop or buy it from the shop by collecting money. So, at the beginning of the game, you should look for collecting money. Contracts are the fastest way to collect money. In normal matches, contract bounty is the best option, but with the arrival of ranks and tournaments, you have other options such as scavenger and recon. Currently, the best place to jump on the map is a part that has 3 features. First, he should have at least 2 close bounty contracts. The second important thing is to be close to the hidden bunkers in the map that I talked about in the previous video, because they give you good money and the chances of finding a redeploy pack are increased, and you can find important items like kill streak, selfie revive, and legendary mask faster. The next point is quick access to the buy station, so that after collecting money, you can spend your money in the shortest time. Don't think about having money at all, because spending money and buying UAV and other items will cause more kills and more money. The continuation of the game to reach the win depends on your game level and your game style. If you play cautiously, your choice is recon and getting zone, and if you are looking for fight and kill, bounty and must want is your choice. I'm going to share my experience of playing Warzone mobile for almost 2 years. Whatever you need, comment and I will teach you. Thank you for following me.
They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Flag out. Check your fire.
Bounty target is down. Well done.
That's cool.
Teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
Planting mine. Should have been more close. Check your fire.
Essa caminhão aqui. Power.
بابا بات منو داره از پشت میزنه خدایا.
Moving. Cut them.
Safi.
Enemy movement.
آخه این وسط فاوت این بات چی بود اینجا؟
بات منو زد پدر سگ.
Enemy movement.
Enemy dropping into the
درک
AR.
پشت درک پشت درک
بابا مفت برای ریدم تو این بازیتون.
رفتم لابی
یا منم بگیرم پیام.
کاش به منم ببرین.
Moving.
ما شما دمیج دارم.
واجی
که اینجا
از ریسه ای جواب داره میزنه ولی نمیبینمش بابا. اومدم نفس
حاجی این اون پرایدوره.
خیلی وقت
صادق اومد. صادق نه آبی خورده. مارک